Fix system error crash dump in League of Legends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix system error crash dump in League of Legends. 100% fix. So you can update drivers and windows. You can ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause crashes, and you can check for and install any available Windows updates. And after that, you can verify games files, use the League of Legends clients to repair or install the game. This can fix corrupted or missing game files that might be causing the issue. And you can try running League of Legends in compatibility mode for an older version of Windows and disable full screen optimization for League of Legends in the game's properties. You can clean boot and other potential fixes like perform a clean boot of Windows to see if any third-party software is interfering with the game, and you can also temporarily disable your firewalls and antivirus software to see if they are blocking the game, and you can close any programs that might be running overlays such as Discord or MSI Afterburner, and you can ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for League of Legends. And you can also try reinstalling Riot games, and if all the solution doesn't work with you, you can contact support. If the issue persists, you can contact Riot game support for further assistance. And that's it guys, that's how you can fix system error crash dump in League of Legends. Make sure to let me know in the comment section which solution work with you, and that will be good for me to uh, create more videos for the future. And that's it guys, see you in the next video.